my super babies. So last night I couldn't end the vlog again. I was so tired. We just went off to sleep at 11. And then we got disturbed by our neighbors' loud music around 2 o'clock. And then we were not getting sleep. And ultimately I think at 5 or 6 we slept. So right now I have just made this dinner rolls with bun. With butter. I want to eat on the table, baby. All this you might drop here, baby. Let's eat on the table. Just made my breakfast. Dates, bananas, crispy poha and almond coconut milk. Hey baby, so we are off to gym.
Only the rose I know are beautiful is currently Mumbai.
So we are going to the gym. He's going to the gym. I'll be sitting in the car and studying for now. Not editing. I'm not carrying my laptop. And yeah, that's all. So after gym, we decided to go for lunch to Angara, and there was quite a bit of crowd to our surprise. So guys, while we are waiting, there's lots of rush out here. Are you hungry, baby?
I'm hungry, baby. I'm lots hungry. I want to eat you.
We had some roasted papad, then there was a welcome drink, which unfortunately I couldn't drink because it was extremely cold. It was full of ice and I didn't want to trigger my teeth. We even ordered for mutton seekh kebab, which was extremely tasty.
In Lucknow or Kashmir, this is mixed with atta.
Atta.
There it's full meat.
Okay. You like this?
Taste-wise is good.
We even had crispy chicken, butter chicken and naans, and everything was absolutely amazing. But the grand finale was the desserts. It was kheer and malpua. Baby, how is it? How is it?
Mild.
You like it?
Mildly sweet.
Oh my god, this is so yummy. Try this, baby. With the kheer. I'm mixing it with the kheer. So the combination of kheer and malpua was amazing. It was heavenly. It was rich. It was so tasty. This is like a must try. Before going back home, we just went to the grocery store and did some more shopping. Babies, we came back home. We need to unpack all these saman. So what is this, baby? Something came in the courier.
This is for my coffee. This is known as a French press.
French press.
Yes, this is how
Brew coffee.
Yeah, you brew a coffee which is grounded to a French press grind and have it. This gets more. You get more
Frothy.
flavor of the not frothy, but the flavor of the coffee is better than the instant coffees or filter coffees and things like that. So
You're going to teach me now?
yes, while I wash it. As you should. I think these are extra filters. I guess they gave. This is nice, man. No, until now.
How much does this cost?
I think 1600.
Okay.
Our Starbucks is around about 2700.
2700.
Yeah, but they don't even give an extra filter. So this at least it's good, right? They given this extra filter in case something happens with one of the filters. So. You have two filters here. So what you need to do is you put some hot water, but you need to get some coffee for me first. So can you get some coffee for me?
मतलब?
मैं नीचे सूटकेस में छोटा ब्लू सूटकेस में
Baby, that too कर. तुम्हारा बैग का मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा.
Baby, कुछ ऐसा ट्रेजर हंट पे नहीं जा रहे हो. दो सामान लाए नहीं.
Baby, I have my periods.
No, कोई बात नहीं.
I'll make water hot. Baby, I have to make water hot.
One thing you do.
Baby, go and get. Now I'll wash all these things,
Baby,
baby.
I will only wash it. I know that.
I'll wash right
Don't
now.
tell me in the video that I will wash and everything. Ultimately, I will wash it. So.
Don't make me sound so.
So all you can do for me at least, for the least is you can get the coffee powder for me. Get them please.
Okay, your petty, which petty now?
छोटा blue petty.
Two petties you have, no? So one blue color.
छोटा दोनों blue है. छोटा वाला में you just open. थोड़ा कपड़ा साइड करोगे एक silver color का पैकेट मिलेगा. That is coffee.
Okay, bye.
And if you still cannot find, then I will officially declare that you are a blind person. Just like which button me? Which button? Which like me?
Guys, he's doing my acting when I talk to my mom, like video call her, and I can't find some stuff uska acting is doing.
So go get tiger.
So this is the bag, silver stuff. Let's see. This one. Oops. Silver. Yeah. ये है क्या? हाँ, लगता है. हाँ, ये कॉफी इसमें.
What we need to do right now is, first we need to take off these thermocol pieces from here because this will end up packing. So this is a classic French press beaker.
Talk loudly, please.
So this is the classic French press beaker. This is where you make your coarse grind coffee. This is from a brand known as Cafe Gel, I guess, but whatever. It looks beautiful. It looks like rose gold plated, the kind of color I like always. So
Bling bling.
yeah, so it's around about 600 ml. You get bigger ones as well, but this is around about 600 ml, close to around about 1500 rupees that you get on Amazon. I've had whichever house I stay in, I have a French press to go along always to make my coffee. This is around about 600 ml. So before you pour the coffee, this is the coffee that I'm going to use, the Colombian Brew Coffee French press grind. It's a dark roast. It's will be slightly stronger, and it's mostly Arabica. So the quality of coffee is really good.
You're washing that first?
So the first thing before you start, never put coffee in it directly. Since it's a glass container, you got to put hot water, hot tap water.
That is very hot, no?
That's fine. Extremely hot tap water. And let it sit for a minute.
Off it. The hot water will go waste.
And let it sit for a minute. This will preheat the glass beaker, check for its structural integrity, and also ensure that the next time you pour hot water, everything works out fine. So we got to wait for a minute, darling, and once that's done, I will make my French press coffee.
Wow.
The really nice things by the brand is they give 2 extra filters to use in case your old filters get damaged or get spoiled over usage over a period of time. And also another thing, they have also given a brush to clean. That's really nice. I've never come across anyone who gives like that, and also really thoughtful. Gave a coffee spoon to take your coffee and put it in the French press. So I think this is a nice thought.
But what's that also, baby?
Yeah, so that's it. And I'm going to place it here so that it's there always.
What do you kept over there?
The extra filter.
And इसका वारंटी कहाँ है?
सब उसमें डाल दिया.
Okay.
So now I will also keep this here so that everything is at one place.
Pepe, how was your day today? Did you like the food at Angara?
On a serious note, I just did not like the food. It's horrible.
And on a super serious note?
On a super serious note, and extremely I did not like the food at all. But on a side note, on a funny note, I really like the food. So the food is good, I think. Good North Indian food. Butter chicken was yum. Seekh kebab was nice. Butter roti and naan, and the kheer that I ate was also really nice. So I think a good sumptuous meal. I'm satisfied. I have had more food than I need. So
No dinner, right?
a light dinner.
Watermelon.
So now I'm going. Watermelon doesn't mean that you stop cooking.
No, I'm going to marinate the chicken.
Now I'll go and prepare the coffee.
I'll come now.
1 minute.
Huh?
Now it's done. So as you can see that it's water. I'm going to pour that out. So it's hot water. I've preheated it. You can smell nothing is there. So now I'm going to pour my coffee.
But you have to wash this also, no?
Yes, I have to wash. So
I need to dry it also.
no, not necessarily.
Why you will be putting it na, in that thing? So that might get spoiled now. So dry it up. Take a tissue paper from Piche, baby.
So I can dry it. Pour 2.5 cups of filter coffee, not filter coffee, French press grind coffee, and poured boiling water to the brim, and then covered it with the lid. So you're going to keep it like this for 3 to 4 minutes because the coffee will brew now and release the flavor and aroma. And once it's 4 minutes is done, you have to push this lever down all the way to the bottom, and what you get is pure coffee. And you can just pour it in a cup and have your delicious, strong coffee.
So it's done.
Little coffee, yeah.
Nalada.
Superb coffee. Coarse grind coffee.
So we're going to the terrace now?
Yes.
You don't want this?
I want this, but now you know how to make this coffee?
Yeah.
Huh? You can use this जो coffee powder है ना once more because you not use it much.
Tell
Right?
me as a tasted. I don't like black coffee, guys. I don't like
He likes
black.
only black tea.
No. Oh, that's nice. Feeling good in this cold. So baby has come to the terrace for the first time. Lightning also is there. How's the feeling? How's the view from the terrace? View is amazing. So what are you talking about? This one and the one which we initially had.
So instant coffee is not the actual coffee, right? It's mixed with chicory and stuff like that. This is only pure coffee beans, roasted and ground to your specifications, and then you put.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. The taste is different, completely different from what you would get a black coffee from an instant one.
He's shivering.
I just came up now.
Drink.
Okay.
You feel better. So babies, I slept nicely for like 1.5 hours. Now it's going to be 9. Now baby wants watermelon. I need to marinate the chicken for tomorrow. Need to edit a vlog and I want to publish it tonight. Whatever happens. Chalo, bye. So babies, I slept for a while. Then I got up. I edited a vlog. I cut some watermelon for Praveen, which he finished eating. And now I marinated chicken for tomorrow's lunch. Yeah. And then I'm going to clean the kitchen. It's going to be 12. No? It's going to be 12, no? Baby is eating watermelon. Anything to say to my babies? Nothing? Why? He's very tired, babies. He didn't sleep. I went to sleep like for 1.5 hours in the evening, but he didn't sleep.
So let's go inside.
Sometime, baby. I need to clean all this.